Hi there, I'm Mark Goodman, Director of North American Industry Sales here at Amatrol. We're also proudly representing our two sister companies, DAC Worldwide and Bayport Technical. In today's video, I'd like to demonstrate our model 811-000 lockout tagout training system. Obviously, anywhere in industry, lockout tagout is of paramount importance to keep machine operators and maintenance personnel completely safe and out of harm's way when it comes to not only electrical voltage, but also any air, hydraulic fluid, or mechanical energy of any kind. Today I'll demonstrate just a few of the exercises that we have related, one to electrical and the other one to fluid, on the DAC 811-000. So what I would like to demonstrate is using multiple forms of electrical measurement to ensure that we have all electricity removed from the maintenance technician workspace. Let's say, for example, that we're going to simulate some type of repair on the electric motor and pump system, and I want to make sure that I can effectively remove that voltage from the motor. So I've gone ahead and removed the screws from my junction box, and what I would like to show using my digital multimeter is that, to begin with, we have complete power, 122 volts, going to the electric motor. So what I'm going to do is demonstrate the lockout tagout. I'll turn this back off, and I'm going to do it at the manual disconnect. So I'm going to remove power from the entire system simply by turning the manual disconnect off, effectively placing my lock, tag, and note, and lock this off, keeping the key with me, then coming back and using the digital multimeter again to confirm that now I have absolutely 0 volts. We can also use what we call a voltage pen, to where we can search for stray voltage, and I'm noticing that I have absolutely 0. What I've done is I've demonstrated that through the effective use of lockout tagout, that the electric motor and pump is now safe for me to get in, work on, take apart, remove, maybe replace, and do it without fear of being shocked or electrocuted. Next, I'd like to demonstrate the ability to lock out the fluid portion in simulating that we're going to be working on this diaphragm valve body. So I'm going to make sure that I remove all of the potential energy with the valves, putting the valves into a 100% closed condition, and then locking them in that closed condition. So what I'm doing is I'm putting on a valve lock that is going to ensure that I cannot manipulate this manual control valve. I also need to make sure, because I've turned off this side, that I also lock that out just in case something were to be turned on elsewhere in the facility that might be able to send water back to this side of the area that I'm wanting to work on. In this case, I have the valve closed on this side of the valve body, and I have the valve closed on this side of the valve body, giving me clear access to be able to work on this. Thanks for viewing this short demonstration on our DAC model 811-000 lockout tagout training system. This is one of the most complete training systems in the market space today, especially due to the fact that it is both electrically and fluidly powered, providing a wealth of exercises for machine operators and maintenance personnel to learn how to effectively apply lockout tagout. This system is very affordable, very compact, and easy to use. Comes with a complete instructional guide, use guide, and a set of tests and quizzes for your associates. You can visit our website at dacworldwide.com or find any one of our authorized distributors, one in all 50 states.